how to fix SBI Yono app not opening or not working problem in your Android. So if you want to fix SBI Yono app not opening or not working in your device, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. From apps, you need to go with manage apps, and here you need to search for SBI or any other bank application in which you're facing the problem. So I just have this bank application. And once you find your SBI or any other application from which you're facing the problem, you can just simply go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once you cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or you can just simply go back. And from here, you need to just scroll down and make sure that you have enough storage. So you need to go with the storage settings. So you need to search for storage. And once you find it, you need to tap on it. And once you tap on storage, as you can see that in my case, I have some storage left. But if you don't have any storage, then you can just simply go with free up storage, which is on the bottom. And then you'll be able to delete some videos or uninstall some apps in order to get some storage. So go with uninstall apps and then select the applications that you've not used in order to fix your application problem. After that, you can go and restart your device, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.